Are you tired of running out of money before the month ends? Do you wonder where all your salary disappears? In today's video, I'm going to share 10 powerful budgeting tips that can completely change your financial life. These are simple, practical, and beginner-friendly methods that anyone can follow. Whether you're a student, employee, freelancer, or business owner, this video will help you save more money, reduce stress, and build a better future. So make sure to watch till the end because tip number 10 is the most important one. Tip 1. Track every expense. The first step to budgeting is knowing where your money goes. Most people spend money daily without tracking it. Small expenses like snacks, online shopping, coffee, subscriptions, and food delivery slowly destroy your budget. Start writing down every expense for 30 days. You can use a notebook, Excel sheet, budgeting apps. Once you track your spending, you'll clearly see where your money is leaking. Awareness is the beginning of financial control. Tip 2. Follow the 50-30-20 rule. One of the easiest budgeting methods is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% plus 30% plus 20% equals 100%. Here's how it works. 50% for needs like rent, food, electricity, and bills. 30% for wants like entertainment and shopping. 20% for savings and investments. This method keeps your finances balanced and prevents overspending. Even if your income is small, dividing it properly makes a huge difference. Tip 3. Create a monthly budget plan. Before the month starts, plan your spending. List your income bills, savings goals, daily expenses. When you give every rupee or dollar a purpose, you stop wasting money randomly. A budget is not about restricting your life, it's about controlling your money instead of your money controlling you. Tip 4. Avoid impulse buying. Impulse buying is one of the biggest money killers. You see a discount online, and suddenly you buy something you never needed. Before buying anything, wait 24 hours. Ask yourself, do I really need this? Compare prices. Most of the time, the excitement disappears after a day. Smart people don't buy emotionally, they buy intentionally. Tip 5. Build an emergency fund. Unexpected problems can happen anytime. Medical emergencies, vehicle repairs, job loss. That's why an emergency fund is essential. Try saving at least 3 to 6 months of expenses. Emergency fund equals 3 to 6 times monthly expenses. Even saving a small amount every month can protect you from financial stress in the future. Tip 6. Reduce unnecessary subscriptions. Many people waste money on subscriptions they barely use. Streaming apps, gaming memberships, premium services. Check your bank statement carefully. Cancel anything you don't use regularly. Small monthly charges may look harmless, but over a year they become a huge amount. Tip 7. Use cash for daily spending. When you use cash, you become more aware of your spending. Digital payments feel invisible, which often leads to overspending. Try using cash for food, shopping, entertainment. Once the cash is gone, stop spending. This simple trick helps many people control their budget better. Tip 8. Save before you spend. Most people save whatever money is left at the end of the month. Successful people do the opposite. The moment you receive income, save first, spend later. Automate your savings if possible. Even 10% of your income saved consistently can create financial freedom over time. Tip 9. Avoid debt traps. Credit cards and loans can become dangerous if used carelessly. Avoid buying things you cannot afford. Debt steals your future income because you keep paying interest. If you already have debt, focus on paying high-interest debt first. Stop unnecessary spending. Create a repayment plan. Financial peace starts when debt decreases. Tip 10. Invest for the future. Saving money is important, but investing money is what builds wealth. Learn about mutual funds, stocks, SIP investments, retirement plans. The earlier you start investing, the more powerful compound growth becomes. Even small investments can grow into large amounts over time if you stay consistent. So those were 10 smart budgeting tips that can improve your financial life. Remember, budgeting is not about being poor. It's about being smart with your money. Start small, stay consistent, and your future self will thank you. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which budgeting tip are you going to start using today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.